Hello everyone. This is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at the complete list of phrasal verbs. Let's get started. Here is a complete list of the 500 most common and most used phrasal verbs in English. There are a few more in fact. Please leave a comment if you notice any errors or if there are any changes or modifications to be made. List of all phrasal verbs in English. To ask somebody out. To ask somebody out. To add up to something. To add up to something. To aim at. To aim at. To ask around. To ask around. To ask for. To ask for. To get over. To get over. To get over something. To get over something. To get over with. To get over with. To get round to something. To get round to something. To get through. To get through. To piece off. To piece off. To plan ahead. To plan ahead. To plan for. To plan for. To plan on. To plan on. To plug in. To plug in. To ask out. To ask out. To back down. To back down. To back off. To back off. To back somebody up. To back somebody up. To back something up. To back something up. To back up. To back up. To beat up. To beat up. To beef up. To beef up. To get to. To get to. To get together. To get together. To get up. To get up. To get something across or to get something over. To get something back. To get something back. To give away. To give away. To give back. To give back. To give in. To give in. To plug in. To plug into. To plug up. To plug up. To point out. To point out. To point somebody. To point something out. To point to. To point to print out. To print out. To pull down. To pull down. To pull off. To pull off. To believe in. To believe in. To bite off. To bite off. To blow away. To blow away. To blow off. To blow off. To blow out. To blow out. To blow something up. To blow something up. To blow up. To blow up. To boil down. To boil down to. To boil down to. To give out. To give out. To give somebody away. To give somebody away. To give something away. To give something away. To give something back. To give something back. To give something out. To give something out. To give something up. To give something up. To give up. To give up. To go about. To go about. To pull out. To pull out. To pull over. To pull over. To pull through. To pull through. To punch in. To punch in. To punch out. To punch out. To push back. to push back, to put away, to put away, to put back, to put back, to break down, to break down, to break in, to break in, to break into something, to break into something, to break off, to break off, to break out, to break out, to break out in something, to break out in something, to break something down, to break something down, to break something in, to break something in, to go after, to go after, to go after somebody, to go after somebody, to go after something, to go after something, to go against somebody, to go against somebody, to go ahead, to go ahead, to go along, to go along, to go along with, to go along with, to go around, to go around, to put down, to put down, to put in, to put in, to put off, to put off, to put on, to put on, to put out, to put out, to put past, to put past, to put somebody down, to put somebody down, to put something down, to put something down, to break through, to break through, to break up, to break up, to bring about, to bring about, to bring back, to bring back, to bring down, to bring down, to bring in, to bring in, to bring out, to bring out, to bring over, to bring over, to go away, to go away, to go back, to go back, to go back on, to go back on, to go beyond, to go beyond, to go by, to go by, to go down, to go down, to go for, to go for, to go in, to go in, to put something off, to put something off, to put something on, to put something on, to put something out, to put something out, to put something together, to put something together, to put through, to put through, to put to, to put to put together, to put together, to put up, to put up, to bring somebody down, to bring somebody down, to bring somebody up, to bring somebody up, to bring something up, to bring something up, to bring up, to bring up, to brush off, to brush off, to brush up, to brush up, to build in, to build into, to bump into, to bump into, to go in for, to go in for, to go in, to go into, to go off, to go off, to go off, to go off, to go on, to go on, to go out, to go out, to go out with somebody, to go out with somebody, to go over, to go over, to put up to put up to put up with, to put up with, to put up with somebody or to put up with something, to ring up, to ring up, to rip off, to rip off, to rip up, to rip up, to roll out, to roll out, to run across, to run across, to burn down, to burn down, to burn out, to burn out, to burn up, to burn up, to burst out, to burst out, to butt in, to butt in, to call around, to call around, to call back, to call back, to call for, to call for, to go over something, to go over something, to go round, to go round, to go through, to go through, to go through with, to go through with, to go up, to go up, to go with, to go with, to go without something, to go without something, to go of around, to go of around, to run around, to run around, to run away, to run away, to run down, to run down, to run for, to run for, to run into, to run into, to run into somebody, to run into something, to run out, to run out, to run over, to run over, to call in, to call in, to call off, to call off, to call on somebody, to call on somebody, to call somebody back, to call somebody back, to call somebody up, to call somebody up, to call something off, to call something off, to call up, to call up, to gross out, to gross out, to grow apart, to grow apart, to grow back, to grow back, to grow into something, to grow into something, to grow out of, to grow out of, to grow out of something, to grow out of something, to grow up, to grow up, to run over somebody, to run over something, to run over or to run through something, to run over something, to run up, to run up, to screw on, to screw on, to screw out of, to screw out of, to screw up, to screw up, to see about, to see about, to come down, to come down, to care for, to care for, to carry away, to carry away, to carry on, to carry on, to carry out, to carry out, to catch on, to catch on, to catch up, to catch up, to cheat on somebody, to cheat on somebody, to hand back, to hand back, to hand in, to hand in, to hand out, to hand out, to hand over, to hand over, to hand something down, to hand something down, to hand something in, to hand something in, to hand something out, to hand something out, to hand something over, to hand something over, to sell out, to sell out, to send back, to send back, to send for, to send for, to send off, to send off, to send out, to send out, to send something back, to send something back, to set about, to set about, to set down, to set down, to check in, to check in, to check out, to check out, to check somebody, to check something out, to cheer somebody up, to cheer somebody up, to cheer up, to cheer up, to chicken out, to chicken out, to chip in, to chip in, to chop up, to chop up, to hang around, to hang around, to hang in, to hang in, to hang on, to hang on, to hang out, to hang out, to hang up, to hang up, to have on, to have on, to head back, to head back, to head for, to head for, to set off, to set off, to set off, to set out, to set out, to set somebody up, to set somebody up, to set something up, to set something up, to set up, to set up, to settle down, to settle down, to settle for, to settle for, clean out, to clean out, to clean something up, to clean something up, to clear out, to clear out, to clear up, to clear up, to clog up, to clog up, to close down, to close down, to close off, to close off, to come about, to come about, to head toward, to head toward, to hear about, to hear about, to hear of, to hear of, to hit up, to hit up, to help out, to help out, to hit on, to hit on, to hold against, to hold against, to hold back, to hold back, to show off, to show off, to shut off, to shut off, to shut up, to shut up, to sign in, to sign in, to sign out, to sign out, to sit back, to sit back, to sit down, to sit down, to sit back, to sit back, to come across, to come across, to come across something, to come across something, to come along, to come along, to come apart, to come apart, to come back, to come back, to come down, to come down, to come down to come down to come down with, to come down with, to hold off, to hold off, to hold on, to hold on, to hold on to somebody, to hold on to something, to hold out, to hold out, to hold somebody, to hold something back, to hold somebody, to hold something up, to hold something back, to hold up, to hold up, to sit down, to sit down, to sit up, to sit up, to sleep over, to sleep over, to slow down, to slow down, to sneak in, to sneak into, to sneak out, to sneak out, to sort out, to sort out, to sort something out, to sort something out, to come down with something, to come down with something, to come forward, to come forward, to come in, to come in, to come in, to come off, to come off, to come on, to come on, to come out, to come out, to come over, to come over, to hook up, to hook up, to hurry up, to hurry up, to keep at, to keep at, to keep away, to keep away, to keep down, to keep down, to keep from, to keep from, to keep in, to keep in, to keep off, to keep off, to space out, to space out, to stand around, to stand around, to stand for, to stand for, to stand up, to stand up, to start off, to start off, to start out, to start out, to start up, to start up, to stay off, to stay off, to come round, to come round, to come through, to come through, to come up, to come up, to come up with, to come up with, to come into, to come into, to come out of, to come out of, to cool off, to cool off, to count on, to count on, to keep on, to keep on, to keep on doing something, to keep on doing something, to keep somebody, to keep something out, to keep something from somebody, to keep something from somebody, to keep something up, to keep something up, to keep to keep to keep up, to keep up, to kick back, to kick back, to stay out, to stay out, to stay up, to stay up, to step on, to step on, to stick around, to stick around, to stick out, to stick out, to stick to stick to stick to something, to stick to something, to stick up, to stick up, to count on somebody, to count on something, to count up, to count up, to cover up, to cover up, to crack down, to crack down, to cross off, to cross off, to cross something out, to cross something out, to cut back, to cut back, to cut back on something, to cut back on something, to kick out, to kick out, to knock off, to knock off, to knock out, to knock out, to knock over, to knock over, to know about, to know about, to lay down, to lay down, to lay off, to lay off, to lead up to lead up to stick with, to stick with, to stop off, to stop off, to stop over, to stop over, to straighten out, to straighten out, to stress out, to stress out, to switch something on, to switch something off, to take after somebody, to take after somebody, to take apart, to take apart, to cut down, to cut down, to cut in, to cut in, to cut off, to cut off, to cut out, to cut out, to cut somebody off, to cut somebody off, to cut something off, to cut something off, to cut something down, to cut something down, to cut something out, to cut something out, to leave behind, to leave behind, to leave off, to leave off, to live on, to live on, to live out, to live out, to live over, to live over, to let down, to let down, to let in, to let in, to take away, to take away, to take back, to take back, to take down, to take down, to take in, to take in, to take off, to take off, to take on, to take on, to take out, to take out, to take out on, to take out on, to cut up, to cut up, to deal with, to deal with, to do away with, to do away with, to do away with something, to do away with something, to do over, to do over, to do somebody, to do something over, to do something over, to let off, to let off, to let on, to let on, to let out, to let out, to let somebody down, to let somebody down, to let somebody in, to let somebody in, to let up, to let up, to lie around, to lie around, to take over, to take over, to take somebody out, to take somebody out, to take something apart, to take something apart, to take something back, to take something back, to take something off, to take something off, to take something out, to take something out, to take up, to take up, to do something up, to do something up, to do with, to do with, to do without, to do without, to doze off, to doze off, to dress up, to dress up, to drop back, to drop back, to drop in, to drop in, to drop in, to drop by, to drop over, to lift up, to lift up, to light up, to light up, to lighten up, to lighten up, to line up, to line up, to live with, to live with, to lock in, to lock in, to lock out, to lock out, to lock up, to lock up, to take up on, to take up on, to talk down to talk down to talk into, to talk into, to talk out of, to talk out of, to talk to talk to tear down, to tear down, to tear off, to tear off, to tear something up, to tear something up, to drop up, to drop up, to drop out, to drop out, to drop somebody, to drop something off, to dry out, to dry out, to dry up, to dry up, to eat out, to eat out, to eat up, to eat up, to log in or to log on, to log out or to log off, to look after somebody, to look after something, to look at something, to look back, to look back, to look down, to look down, to look down on, to look down on, to tell apart, to tell apart, to tell on, to tell on, to think about, to think about, to think back, to think back, to think over, to think over, to think something over, to think something over, to think up, to think up, to empty out, to empty out, to end up, to end up, to fall apart, to fall apart, to fall apart, to fall behind, to fall behind, to fall down, to fall down, to look down on somebody, to look down on somebody, to look for somebody, to look for something, to look forward to look forward to look into, to look into, to look into something, to look into something, to look out, to look out, to think up, to think up, to throw away, to throw away, to throw out, to throw out, to throw something away, to throw something away, to throw up, to throw up, to track down, to track down, to fall for, to fall for, to fall in, to fall in, to fall off, to fall off, to fall out, to fall out, to fall over, to fall over, to fall through, to fall through, to look out for somebody, to look out for something, to look over, to look over, to look round, you look around, to look round, to look something up, to look something up, to look something over, to look something over, to look up, to look up, to trade in, to trade in, to trick into, to trick into, to try on, to try on, to try out, to try out, to try something on, to try something on, to try something out, to try something out, to turn around, to turn around, to fill up to, to fill up to fight back, to fight back, to figure on, to figure on, to figure something out, to figure something out, to fill in, to fill in, to fill out, to fill out, to fill something in, to fill something in, to fill something out, to fill something out, to look up to look up to look up to somebody, to look up to somebody, to lock out, to lock out, to make for, to make for, to make of, to make of, to make off, to make off, to make out, to make out, to make somebody up, to make somebody up, to turn back, to turn back, to turn down, to turn down, to turn in, to turn in, to turn into, to turn into, to turn off, to turn off, to turn on, to turn on, to turn out, to turn out, to turn over, to turn over, to fill something up, to fill something up, to fill up, to fill up, to find out, to find out, to find something out, to find something out, to fix up, to fix up, to flip out, to flip out, to float around, to float around, to make something up, to make something up, to make up, to make up, to mess up, to mess up, to mix something up, to mix something up, to mix up, to mix up, to monkey around with, to monkey around with, to move back, to move back, to move in, to move in, to turn around, to turn around, to turn up, to turn up, to turn something off, to turn something off, to turn something on, to turn something on, to turn something up, to turn something up, to turn something down, turn something down, to use up, to use up, to use something up, to use something up, to follow up, to follow up, to fool around, to fool around, to freak out, to freak out, to get ahead, to get ahead, to get along, to get along, to get along, to get on, to get around, to get around, to move on, to move on, to move out, to move out, to move up, to move up, to narrow down, to narrow down, to not care for somebody, to not care for something, to pass away, to pass away, to pass on, to pass on, to wake up, to wake up, to want out, to want out, to warm somebody, to warm something up, to wash off, to wash off, to wash up, to wash up, to watch out, to watch out, to wear down, to wear down, to get away, to get away, to get away with something, to get away with something, to get back, to get back, to get back at, to get back at, to get back at somebody, to get back at somebody, to get back into something, to get back into something, to get back to get back to pass out, to pass out, To pass something out. To pass something out. To pass something up. To pass something up. To pass through. To pass through. To pay back. To pay back. To pay for. To pay for. To pay for something. To pay for something. To wear off. To wear off. To wear out. To wear out. To wind up. To wind up or to wind up. To wipe off. To wipe off. To wipe out. To wipe out. To wipe up. To wipe up. To work in. To work in. To get behind. To get behind. To get by. To get by. To get down. To get down. To get in. To get in. To get off. To get off. To get on with somebody. To get on with somebody. To get on something. To get on something. To get out. To get out. To pay off. To pay off. To pay somebody back. To pay somebody back. To pay up. To pay up. To pick on. To pick on. To pick out. To pick out. To pick something out. To pick something out. To pick up. To pick up. To pile up. To pile up. To work off. To work off. To work on. To work on. To work out. To work out. To work something out. To work something out. To work up. To work up. To wrap up. To wrap up. To write down. To write down. To zip up. To zip up. So this video ends here about the complete list of phrasal verbs. Thank you very much.